When life hurts and feels heavy, remember this: Allah is near. He never leaves. A true believer. Hardship is training, not punishment. Why Iman drops? Sometimes Iman drops. We get distracted. Stress takes over. Sins darken hearts. We forget Akhirah. We forget Allah. Reconnect now. 5 ways to strengthen your Iman. Number 1, Dhikr. Increase dhikr. Small words matter. Heart becomes strong. Number 2, Salah. Pray on time. Salah is power. Stay consistent. Number 3, Quran. Read daily. Even 5 minutes, light enters heart. Number 4, Dua. Talk to Allah. Tell your pain. Allah listens always. Number 5, leave sins. Remove darkness. Bring in light. Stay disciplined. Ayub's story. Ayub was tested, lost everything, stayed patient, never complained, asked Allah gently. Relief arrived. Allah restored all. Patience wins. Your hardship teaches. Your tears matter. Allah hears you. Stay patient. Stay strong. Your miracle comes. Subscribe now.